What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is Wednesday. I'm here at Easy Pond in Harlingen, San Benito area. I'm gonna meet up my buddy for lunch in Harlingen, hook him up with some Pokemon cards, and probably hit a few thrift stores or pawn shops at least here in the area. Let's see what the day brings. So let's go check this place out. Before we get into today's video, if you're not subscribed, guys, please consider doing so. I go to the pawn shop, thrift store, flea market, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to buy merchandise to flip and add to my collection. If that kind of content interests you, hit that subscribe button. I also do unboxing videos, repairs, video game hauls. That's like my main thing to collect is video games. I also do collectibles. So if you like that stuff, man, like I said, hit that subscribe button. Those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you guys can help me out by commenting and liking on this video, sharing it with your friends and family if you think that anybody's interested in it, help me out. Alright guys, let's get down and check it out. Alright, so here we go. Let's go check it out. There's music playing in the background, so I'm going to go ahead and mute it, but give you guys a quick view. There it is. Alright guys, I found some games. There's some ones here in this little case. I'm going to check them out. Alright guys, I'm here to see a Pontiac, hopefully for Turo, but I drove about an hour to come check it out, and the guy's like, yeah, it needs a little bit of paint in the front and needs a little paint on the side. I'm looking at it and this thing needs a whole new paint job. The clear coat is completely peeling and it looks like it's starting to rust. I'm gonna get down and record real quick and show you guys what I'm looking at. Alright, so here's the car. Yeah, she needs a lot of paint. The body's pretty bad. There's spiders and spider webs all over it. Expired plate since 2019. Needs a new front windshield. Yeah, this one's gonna be a no. I don't want to pass on this, guys. I'm not even gonna waste the guy's time checking it out. All right, there's the car. All right, guys, just got home. Started pricing these already, getting ready for the show. But these were $2 a piece at the pawn shop. I stopped to look at that car, and that car was not good. I'm going to show the video for you guys. Got UFC 3, $2. Got this Skyrim, Dragon Age. Like I said, these were all $2 a piece. Call of Duty Ghosts. Got Mortal Kombat. I think it's 10. I'm not sure. Got this Has Been Heroes for $2 and Shadows of Mordor. So yeah, I drove about an hour to go look at that vehicle. Like I said, there was nothing wrong with it, just need a little paint in the front. Go ahead and judge by the video. It wasn't worth it for me to pick it up to put it on Turo. That was my plan. So instead of going to the pawn shops, I ended up going over there, and then the weather got ugly, so I decided to just come home. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one.